Shocking truth about brain health that completely go against what everyone thinks. Your doctor has been completely wrong about what causes cognitive decline. And did you know that Alzheimer's is now being called type 3 diabetes by leading researchers? See, the modern diet is literally destroying your brain, as your brain consumes 25% of your body's glucose despite being only 2% of your body weight. Insulin resistance is a stronger predictor of cognitive decline than genetics or age. The billion-dollar Alzheimer's drug industry doesn't want you to know this, as those fancy supplements marketed for brain health, most are complete scams. Your brain has abundant insulin receptors that have nothing to do with glucose uptake, and brain insulin actually clears the amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. See, when your body becomes insulin resistant, your brain follows suit. The neuroscience community has been focusing on the wrong targets all along. See, amyloid plaques aren't the cause of cognitive decline, they're the symptoms. The metabolic dysfunction comes first, then the brain changes follow. This is why pharmaceutical interventions focusing on amyloid plaques have consistently failed. Billions of dollars wasted on the wrong approach to brain health. Meanwhile, metabolic optimization shows 3 times greater cognitive improvement. But nobody's talking about this revolutionary approach. And today I'm about to share the exact protocol that researchers have used to reverse cognitive decline. A protocol that the medical establishment ignores because it can't be patented. See, the optimal HbA1c range for brain protection is 4.7 to 5.2%. Your doctor probably told you anything under 5.7 is fine. They're completely wrong, and the research proves it. A landmark 2020 study from Johns Hopkins University found that insulin resistance predicted cognitive decline more accurately than any other factor. More accurate than genetic testing, brain scan, or cognitive assessment. But your neurologist probably didn't mention this once. Instead, they prescribe medications with minimal benefit and significant side effects. PET scans reveal a dramatic 20 to 30% reduction in cerebral glucose utilization with patients with early Alzheimer's. This happens decades before symptoms appear, which is why brain deterioration often seems to come out of nowhere. People think their health is perfectly fine until suddenly it's not, but the metabolic damage has been silently accumulating for years. So let me explain exactly what happens in your brain when insulin resistance develops. Insulin doesn't just regulate blood sugar. In your brain, insulin serves critical neurological functions. It regulates acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter essential for memory. It promotes the growth of new neurons and formation of new synapses. It clears amyloid beta proteins that accumulate in Alzheimer's disease. It protects neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation. When insulin signaling falters, all these neuroprotective functions decline. So this is why researchers now call Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes or brain insulin resistance. A groundbreaking 2021 study found that impaired glucose metabolism precedes amyloid plaque formation by up to 20 years. Think about it for a second. The metabolic problem comes first, followed by the brain changes. This completely reverses our understanding of neurodegenerative disease. So what's the solution? I call it the cognitive protection zone, the metabolic parameters that maximize brain energy efficiency. These optimal ranges for brain health align perfectly with what protects your heart. HbA1c 4.7 to 5.2%, not the 5.7% your doctor tells you it's fine. Fasting insulin below 5, not the 25 that labs consider normal. Fasting glucose between 70 and 85 milligrams per deciliter, not the 100 milligrams per deciliter cutoff used in conventional medicine. Triglyceride to HDL ratio below a perfect 1, not the 4 that standard medicine accepts. A 2022 meta-analysis examining over 65,000 participants found those maintaining these optimal parameters had 47% lower risk of cognitive decline over a 10-year period, 53% reduction in Alzheimer's disease risk, 38% improvement in executive function tests, 42% better memory retention scores. And these improvements happen whether you're 35 or 85 years old. So now here's my 60-day protocol to optimize your brain metabolism. It addresses 3 crucial mechanisms that conventional medicine completely ignores. First, brain glucose efficiency, enhancing how effectively neurons utilize glucose. Second, ketone availability, providing alternative brain fuel during glucose fluctuations. Third, neurovascular coupling, strengthening blood flow responses to neural activity. So let me break down each component with the specific strategies. So for brain glucose efficiency, implement intermittent fasting with a 14 to 16 hour daily eating window. Add the glucose disposal factors like chromium 400 to about 600 micrograms and berberine 500 milligrams twice daily. Include BDNF enhancers like lion's mane, mushroom extract, and daily aerobic exercise. Now, these strategies enhance mitochondrial function in neurons, improving energy production by up to 30%. So now for ketone availability, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil daily. Incorporate ketone-generating foods like olive oil, avocados, and egg yolks. Implement an extended 24 to 36-hour fast once monthly to ketone upregulation. And ketones provide up to 70% of the brain's energy needs during glucose restriction. They're more metabolically efficient than glucose, producing more ATP with fewer free radicals. Your neurologist has probably never once mentioned ketones as brain fuel. Now for neurovascular coupling, add nitric oxide boosters like arugula and possibly dark chocolate. Include omega-3 fatty acid, 2 to 3 grams EPA and DHA daily. Consume polyphenol-rich foods like blueberries, pomegranate, and green tea, as this mechanism ensures active brain regions receive immediate blood flow increase. So let's integrate these mechanisms into practical 60-day protocol. So days 1 to 15, the metabolic reset phase, implement a 12-hour eating window, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., eliminate all refined carbohydrates and sugars completely. Add daily movement, 30-minute walks or equivalent. Begin these foundational supplements such as magnesium threonate, 2,000 milligrams, omega-3, 2 grams of EPA and DHA, B complex with methylated forms only. And within just 2 weeks, most people report noticeably improved mental clarity. Their brain fog lifts and energy stabilizes throughout the day. These subjective improvements correlate with measurable changes in inflammatory markers. Now, days 16 to 30, the neural fuel optimization phase. So extend your fasting window to 14 to 16 hours. Implement a Mediterranean ketogenic dietary pattern. Begin MCT oil supplementation, 1 tablespoon daily. Add these next tier supplements. We have berberine, 500 milligrams twice daily, 30 minutes prior to meals. Alpha-lipoic acid, 600 milligrams. Lion's mane extract, 1,000 milligrams. Introduce cognitive training, 15 minutes daily of novel reading. So by day 30, objective measurements show enhanced working memory and faster processing speed. Cellular glucose utilization becomes significantly more efficient. Now between days 31 to 60, the neural resilience training phase. Implement 1 24-hour fast weekly. Add high-intensity interval training twice weekly. Incorporate a daily stress reduction practice like meditation. Add these advanced supplements. Bio-PQQ, 20 milligrams daily. Transresveratrol, 150 milligrams. Acetyl-L-carnitine, 1,000 milligrams. Begin cold exposure therapy with 30 to 60 seconds cold shower finishes. Now, by day 60, your brain enters a state of enhanced neuroplasticity. You'll experience noticeably better memory formation and reduce mental fatigue. Your cognitive resilience to stress will dramatically improve. So let me share some remarkable results from certain patients who actually have already implemented this protocol. Let's take Robert, age 67, hardworking, finding difficulty, and was forgetting appointments. His father had Alzheimer's disease, so he was terrified of the same fate. After 90 days on this protocol, his verbal fluency improved by 28%. His episodic memory was 32% better. His HbA1c reduced from 5.9 to 5.1%. His insulin dropped from 11 to 4.2. I will share another one. Her name is Margaret, age 58, struggles with brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Now, she carried the ApoE4 gene, the highest genetic risk for Alzheimer's. After 60 days on this protocol, her sustained attention improved by 41%. Her processing speed increased by 35%. Her inflammatory markers reduced by 67%. She reported mental clarity. I haven't felt like this in 15 years. So these aren't isolated cases. A 2023 clinical intervention with 124 participants showed that 91% achieved significant cognitive improvements within 90 days. When researchers compared outcomes between pharmaceutical approaches versus metabolic interventions, the results weren't even close. Metabolic optimization showed 3 times greater cognitive improvement. Participants reported 2.8 times better quality of life. Brain volume loss slowed by 37%. Progression to Alzheimer's reduced by 76% in high-risk individuals. This explains why billions of dollars spent on amyloid-clearing drugs have produced such disappointing results. They're targeting the symptoms, not the underlying metabolic cause. So let me share some practical tips to make this protocol manageable in daily life. See the brain optimal plate format. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with quality protein, a quarter with low glycemic carbs or healthy fats. Schedule demanding mental tasks 2-3 hours after waking when cortisol and acetylcholine naturally peak. Stock your kitchen with these brain health staples. We have olive oil, eggs, fatty fish, blueberries, leafy greens like arugula, nuts, and dark chocolate. The complete protocol costs approximately a few dollars a day in additional foods and supplements, an investment that pays enormous dividends in both immediate cognitive function and long-term brain health. For those who want to take their cognitive protection to the next level, align your eating window with circadian rhythm. Earlier eating with longer overnight fasts. Use strategic light exposure with a bright morning light and amber filters in evening. Optimize your sleep temperature to 65 to 67 Fahrenheit in your bedroom. Consider advanced compounds like exogenous ketones and target peptides. Remember the 3 core principles. Cognitive decline is fundamentally a metabolic disorder. Optimize your metabolism to protect your brain. The same metrics that protects your heart protects your brain. Aim for HbA1c 4.7 to 5.2% and fasting insulin below 5. Neurometabolic optimization improves function today. Don't wait for symptoms to appear before taking action. The medical system won't tell you these truths because there is no money in metabolic health. Pharmaceutical companies can't patent fasting or ketosis. They can only profit from your metabolic dysfunction. But now you know the truth about brain health. Your brain is incredibly resilient and can rebuild itself if you just optimize your metabolism. Stop listening to the mainstream advice that's making your brain deteriorate. The solution is simple, but it isn't easy. Start with eliminating processed foods, seed oils, and excessive carbs. Your brain will thank you. Do your own research on any of these points. You might be shocked at what you find. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you want more hard truth about health that nobody's talking about. The truth about brain health isn't what we've been told. Subscribe for more shocking revelation about metabolic optimization. Now, in the last video, I was asked about specialized diets. So veganism completely fails at optimizing brain metabolism. Plant-based advocates never mention that critical brain nutrients like DHA, choline, and B12 are almost non-existent in plants. The carnivore diet, however, provides all the raw materials your brain needs for repair and regeneration. Ketogenic approaches dramatically outperform plant-based diets for cognitive protection. Even Mediterranean diets only work when they're rich in animal source nutrients. The truth is your brain evolved on animal fats. It's literally made of the same compounds found in animal products. And this is why vegetarians and vegans have significantly higher rates of cognitive decline in long-term studies. The brain health supplement industry exists primarily to compensate for nutrient deficiencies in plant-based diet. They won't tell you this, but the research is very clear.